This is the 115-inch retractable baby gate for extra wide openings, and it's for dogs or for infants that you want to keep blocked off from other areas. And for me, this was the perfect thing for our outdoor patio between our house and garage. We have a large area, so I picked up one of these for that area. It was really easy to install. We were able to take the parts all out of the box, set them out, and it came with some templates and some instructions. The templates I put up on the wall and drilled some pilot holes for the screws, and I set the mounting plates in place manually with a screwdriver. And once I finished that, I was able to go ahead and mount the retractable gate and extend it across the patio. So it worked out really well. As you can see, the dog does really well. I don't have any children, but it works really well for the dog.